Welcome to Senthaalai Technical Institute. In this course, we will learn electrical design and drafting for the oil and gas EPC sector, covering both engineering and design disciplines that work together to deliver complex industrial projects. This program is designed not only for electrical engineers, but also for electrical designers, electrical draftsmen, electrical modelers, who are directly involved in producing and coordinating project drawings and documents. Oil and gas EPC projects operate under strict safety rules, international standards, and multidiscipline coordination, where every electrical drawing and document must align with process, instrumentation, mechanical, piping, civil, and structural teams. Even a small design mismatch can lead to costly site issues, delays, or safety risks. In this course, you will understand the complete EPC electrical workflow, starting from engineering inputs and moving through detailed design, drafting, coordination, and construction support. You will learn how to prepare, read, and coordinate key electrical engineering and design documents, including single-line diagrams, sold and power distribution philosophy, load lists, supply lists, equipment lists and equipment data sheets, cable schedules and cable routing layouts, cable drum and cable gland schedules, cable tray sizing and cable tray routing layouts, interconnection diagrams, wiring diagrams and schematic diagrams, electrical supports and support location layouts, lighting, earthing, and lightning protection layouts, installation drawings and typical details, substation and building layouts, power supply skids, material takeoffs MTO and bill-off quantities BOQ, interdiscipline review comments, markups, and resolutions. You will also learn how electrical team work with plot plans, piping layouts, and structural drawings, hazardous area classifications, vendor drawings and technical clarifications, site feedback, and as-built documentation. This course focuses on practical APIC execution, showing you why a document is created, what inputs it requires, how it is reviewed, and how it is finally issued for construction. Whether you are an electrical engineer moving into EPC projects, an electrical designer or draftsman aiming to understand engineering logic, a student or fresher seeking real project exposure, or a working professional upgrading to oil and gas standards, this course will help you bridge the gap between engineering calculations and site-ready drawings. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand and produce industry-standard electrical drawings, coordinate confidently with multiple disciplines, handle real APIC documents, comments, and revisions, add genuine oil and gas project value to your profile. Let's begin this comprehensive journey into electrical engineering and design for oil and gas EPC projects. Welcome once again to Senthaalai Technical Institute.